Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode here on The Greens Go. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough at the Warner Brothers Studios store.
And we're going to show you exactly what we bought and how much money we actually spent. Let's go.
Alright, so we just finished up the tour and it drops you right into the gift shop. So we're going to go ahead and check out some merch and see what we're going to take home. This is actually really cool. This is up my alley. And I also saw a really cool other mug. Wally World! If you guys are a fan of National Lampoons, who wanted to go to Wally World if it was a real theme park? Oh, look at, they even have some of these like posters. You can take them home and frame them. My sister was like in love with Marvin the Martian and Tasmanian Devil. Like these were her two favorite. This is our action sign.
What's it called?
It's an action sign.
No, what did I tell you it was called? To sync up the audio? What was I having you do?
Clap. It's a clapper?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's a clapper.
I think we have to buy it. How much is it?
It's actually $12.95.
Ooh, we're buying it.
And we're gonna start the scene and now. So Warner Brothers has, as I talked about, here's Warner Brothers Spirit jersey. And here's what the front looks like. For $59.95, you can have a Spirit jersey from Warner Brothers. So they also have like super cute vintage tees. Like look at this one. This is super cute. I think it's like girls and guys for $29.95. That's like super cute. They have this one up here too. So this is a camera from 1932 that was used for films like Casablanca, Cool Hand Luke, Barry Lyndon. It's pretty cool. Look at how interesting it is. You need this one right here.
I need this one.
This one?
No, this one.
Oh, this is the one. Oh yeah, they do sell the aprons here from Central Perk. So if you're a Friends fan, they have the aprons. You can pretend you're a barista at Central Perk.
Where are the aprons?
They're over here.
Oh.
They're right here. So they're $29.95 if you want to pretend that you're the barista at Central Perk.
That's actually that's a good price.
Yeah.
They even have coasters. Oh, and they have the little cups. Like the Starbucks type of cups.
They have tons of Friends merch here, and I have to admit, I've actually never watched Friends.
But if you did, this is pretty good merch to buy.
Yeah, I agree. Like a lot of the merch is really well designed. There's some super cute, like this. This is cute. Like this is a super cute sweater. It feels like really nice. This is $39.95, but look at how cute this is. They have all DC Comics here too. That's cool. They have all this Wonder Woman stuff that's like super cute, jewelry, they even have bags. And then this tank top is like super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is really cute. I thought it was a clutch, but it's actually like a notebook, but that's super cute. And then look at this shirt. I love the colors on it. It's like vintage. So Warner Brothers actually has like their own version of the Spirit jersey. So here's the one for Wonder Woman. How cool is that? This is like a cropped Spirit jersey. And on the back it has Supergirl.
They also have this little thing for like the Letterman jacket for Batman. I should get it. How much is it? Don't know.
This one's pretty cool too. Look. And it's pretty soft. This one's $48.95. It's like super soft on the inside.
Is there anything on the back?
No. We have just stepped into the Harry Potter merch and I'm freaking out.
You can actually get Tom Riddle's diary.
Look at how cool this bag is, you guys. This is a cool bag. This is $75. That is really cool. This is really cute. Like I think I want to get this. It's really super cute. Like going grocery shopping with this in the store. It's $24.95 and it's lined. Like look at how cute it is.
That's kind of cool, man.
Look at this is like an interesting dress. It's like the Daily Prophet. So if you want to own Lucius Malfoy's walking stick.
Does it actually come apart like this? No. Dude, that's actually a pretty cool walking stick.
I know it's pretty cool for.
I actually kind of need a walking stick, man.
Could you imagine walking the streets with that? Look at all the cool stuff that they have for Slytherin. They have spirit jerseys for each house. That's really cool. This is kind of different.
That's cool. So they have a lot of different merch here than they do at Universal, which is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I really like more of the Harry Potter merch here at Warner Brothers Studios. They have Hogwarts spirit jersey. You can wear this to the park, Universal Studios, and it has the logo on the front too. Ooh, look at this cup. How cool is that? Yes, the Triwizard Cup.
So we found the Marauders map, and I believe this one's a real actual one. Like from the actual movie, like no joke, like this thing is legit. We can find Harry Potter, Hermione, Dumbledore, Ron, even Snape. So cool. Watch. You ready?
Tap the wand on the words mischief managed to turn the map off.
That's right here.
It's broken.
I think it's out of batteries, but the ideal is you tap here on these to turn it on, turn it off, and you can actually tap down here and actually locate the people. But this is, I think the batteries are dead, which is kind of odd considering it's day one.
We can actually take a mandrake home. I told you I wanted to take one home. So cute. Yeah, because they actually have all the characters.
Yeah, like, but the weight, like I feel like these are actually like heavier. Oh, George actually has a pretty cool one. George's look pretty cool.
So if you're purchasing a wand here,
Oh.
you actually get a free stand with it.
Look at that. They don't have this at Universal.
No,
There's
they don't.
a lot of them they don't have at Universal.
Yeah. Is that the Death Eaters?
One of them says, oh, look at this one though. I think the one over at Universal is all black. This actually has some like detail to it.
All right, you guys. So a lot of you guys know this infamous logo right here, the WB. So let's go ahead and look inside what we have inside this big bag. We'll start off first with the free item we got.
Yes, we actually got a free item for buying some. I don't know if there's like a certain dollar amount, but we got to pick the type of bag we wanted, and it's actually a pretty cool bag.
Yeah.
So they had like Justice League, Rick and Morty, and then Doctor Who. I absolutely love Doctor Who. So yeah, that's why I selected it. But this is the cool thing about it. Check this out. So you can put things in it, but you wear it as a backpack.
Yeah, I really
Pretty
like
cool.
that. And look at the little straps right here are like the WBs, which I really like.
Comment down below exactly which one's your favorite Doctor, and we'll see if it matches mine.
All right, so next item we picked up, this was something that David really wanted. Do you want to go ahead and take it?
Yeah, sure. All right, so it is what Michelle likes to call the action board. You know, they use it on movie sets and stuff and television, and what it does is makes a loud clapping noise. And you write down here all the information so that way you can actually sync up the audio with the video.
All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the next item that we purchased. This one's wrapped.
I actually forgot what this one was.
Oh, yeah. I actually kind of forgot what we bought. So for some of you guys, you'll probably recognize it if you can see it. You guys have probably seen the movie The Shining, and on here they have the actual hotel, the Overlook Hotel, on this mug. So you can sip your hot beverage and pretend that you've visited the Overlook Hotel.
So we got another cool little thing, and we showed you some mugs in the video. I don't know if you guys
this
know
is the
exactly
one.
which one, but I think this is probably our favorite.
Yes.
I don't know where we're going to put it, but we really love this guy, and you know, we really try not to say his name more than like 2 times. It's very difficult, but you know, sometimes he just wants to come out and play. And that is Beetlejuice.
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
Beetlejuice is my favorite.
The ghost
It's my favorite.
with the most. So I really like it.
Yeah.
What I really like about this mug too is it's all black, but the inside is green.
All right, let's see what's up next in the Warner Brothers bag.
It is a historical behind the gates of Warner Brothers Studios. A lot of historical photos. There's some context behind it too.
What does it look like without this protector thing? Like, does it have anything on the front?
Ooh.
Oh, that
That's
looks, yeah. I actually almost like it without the cover on it.
That looks pretty cool.
It looks cooler.
I have another book called Early, Warner Brothers Studios. It's like a smaller version. It looks like that photo was in the same one. So I hope it's not exactly the same stuff, just with more wording. Hopefully it's actually a little bit something, a little bit more context. And our light just fell down. It always does that. Oh, we have this guy. It's a magnet.
Oh, yes. So one of the things that me and David like to do is anywhere that we go, traveling or visiting a place for the first time, or maybe we've been there before, but we want to go ahead and remember our trip. We actually collect magnets. So everywhere that we go, we always like to pick up a magnet. And we actually ended up picking up this guy at the studio as well. And it's a very like Art Deco, very like 1940.
It kind of has a 3D texture to it. The
Yes.
sign is kind of 3D, pops out there.
Yes, and it's
It's pretty
very
cool.
like
They actually,
classic.
they sell this, you can buy it on a t-shirt. They also have like a big poster.
Oh, you're right.
So they do have a lot of stuff there. And then kind of on theme with kind of like the historic stuff is the coaster that we got.
Oh, yes.
So not that we collect coasters, but with this coaster, it kind of matches another one that we have that's like a Los Angeles themed one. So we'll have to match that as well. So it's pretty cool. I like it.
All right, so we have the last 2 items down at the bottom of the bag, and we saved these 2 for last. This is my favorite item that we picked up, and it's his and hers items that we couldn't leave the studio tour without getting.
And if you watched our last video, 2 videos ago, the Action and Magic video, you would have seen what houses we were placed in. But we also knew what houses we were a part of as well. Mine stayed the same. Michelle's, you know, was a little bit different, but I think I think the hat was listening to her. I think the sorting hat was listening to her and was like, we'll put you in Gryffindor. But really, let's be real, she knows what she is.
Yeah, I'm totally a Hufflepuff, but for some reason, I don't know.
How do you feel about that?
The sorting hat feels as though I should be in Gryffindor, so
Maybe she's both.
maybe I'm both. I don't know. But anyways, we got his and hers sweaters. So we're going to show you. These are actually really neat. And as you guys do the tour through the store, you're going to see so much good Harry Potter merch. And this is stuff that like you won't even see at Universal Studios. Like that's what amazed me going through the store and going through the Harry Potter section is all the awesome merch that they have there. So we picked up these sweaters, and of course, David got Slytherin.
And Michelle got Hufflepuff.
Yep. And it's really nice because this like textured material, like it feels breathable. And it does have kind of like a stretch feel to it, but it just feels really nice. Like the material just feels like good quality.
And it's kind of lightweight too, so it's, you know, something you can wear if it's just kind of just a little breezy or something heading out on the beach.
Let's go ahead and try these guys on. Let's see if they fit.
Yeah. we go.
All right.
Should we use a little bit of magic to get them on?
I think so.
Let's do this. Ready? Go. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.